2026 marks the moving up ceremony of our little champions from playgroup and nursery.
I hope that be a reminder for us that every day that we wake up, we can do the best also for our child. Para ho, mangarap ho tayo para sa kanila. Together, we could really work on how can we really be competent? How can we grow their character? Of course, we bring them to school, like Little Champion Academy, of course. We bring them to church for them to know more of the Lord.
Hand in hand, we cheer and high five. Every letter, every sound we say, every number that we count today.
Para sa ating mga parents, hindi madali yung lagi nating hinahatid sundo yung mga anak natin. So naintindihan ko yung mga katulad kong busy parents. Pero nagpapasalamat ako kasi nandyan kayo para sa inyong mga anak kasi minsan lang silang bata.
Grow strong, together we can't go wrong. We are little champions, brave and bright. We play, we learn, we succeed and
Sa ating pong mga guro at school administrators, taus-pusong pasasalamat din po sa inyong dedikasyon at malasakit. Hindi lamang po kayo nagtuturo ng leksyon sa silid-aralan, kundi humuhubog rin ng mabuting pagkatao at magandang kinabukasan para sa ating mga kabataan.
every question sparks a brand new star. Every answer shows.
Kasi naniniwala ako na itong period ng kanilang kabataan ang isang pinaka-importanteng phase dahil dadalhin nila to hanggang sa paglaki nila.
We are little champions, brave and bright. We play, we learn, we succeed and shine. Step by step, we grow strong.
Sa lahat po ng mga kabahagi ng ating school, because I heard the passion and the vision of your school founder to make world-class education accessible for every child.
Together we shine so bright. Dreaming big with every song we sing. Spreading joy with every smile we bring. In our hearts a spark that glows so true. Anything is possible.
Alam ko yung paghihirap ng isang magulang ay ganun din ang paghihirap ninyo. Maraming salamat sa pagtsatsaga, sa dedikasyon, at sa unconditional love sa aming mga anak.
We are little champions, brave and bright. We play, we learn, we succeed and shine. Step by step, we grow strong. Together we can.
So, sana po hindi ito yung huling beses na magkikita-kita tayo. Open po ang aming school for you to visit us. And sana itong mga kids na to, we know in the future, you are the future of our education and our country.
Dreaming big with every song we sing. Spreading joy with every smile we bring. In our hearts a spark that glows so true. Anything is possible for me and you. We are little champions, brave and bright. We play, we learn, we succeed and shine. Step by step, we grow strong. Together we can't go wrong. We are little champions, brave and bright. We play, we learn, we succeed and shine. Step by step, we grow strong.
So I would like to thank everyone, my co-mommies and co-daddies. So salamat kasi tinapos niyo ang 10 months program. At alam ko na itong mga maliliit na batang to, hindi man nila maalala masyado, pero by heart and by core memories. And I know in the future, they will be the future of our education in our country. So thank you everyone for trusting us. And thank you everyone for trusting your kids to be part of our little champions.